If you got a gas furnace and it's not heating, you check the code and it's a low flame sensor signal. Come in here. You have an igniter. Be very careful with that because you can break it. Then you have a rollout switch. If the flames shoot back out, it'll shut the furnace down. And then you have a flame rod or a flame sensor. And this one is very corroded, so this might get you running. If you pull this, wear some gloves, and then take a light steel wool, preferably, or a brass brush. But if you all you have is a piece of sanding paper, sand it down, clean it up really good, and put it back in. Do not stand in front of the furnace when it fires off. Always safety first. This might get you going again. Light piece of sanding paper. So there's no rust on it or corrosion now, and it can ground out in the flame. I'm going to put it back in and I'll show you. And ready to fire up. Inducer just turned on. Pressure switch back there is going to have to make sure it's drawing. The flue is drawing. Next you're going to see the igniter start to glow. As long as the flue makes, just heard it click, there it goes. Next, the gas valve will open and it will ignite. And if it senses the flame through the flame rod there, it will stay lit and drop into low fire. Filter, number one thing you can do. Get you an extra igniter, get you an extra flame rod, flame sensor, get you some steel wool so you can clean your flame sensor, then you'll probably never have to replace it. It's always good to have one of each of these in case of an emergency.